Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about promoting Clickbank products. Before we get started, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button if this is your first time here at this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos just like this. Now you know what time it is. It is time to go ahead and do this video about promoting Clickbank products. I love Clickbank products mainly because it's a good way of how you can make commission from home, work from home, and it's a good way of learning how to build your list as well. So you can build subscriber lists and you can email your list back to the same products and services of Clickbank. Now, I love Amazon as well, and Clickbank is right there mainly because they've done so many sales in terms of helping out affiliates, helping out customers, and they have a wide list of products that you can promote, which is this video is about. And I do have a check that I got my first Clickbank check I was going to show you. It's right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there. You know, it's my first Clickbank check. It was like $88, and I was promoting these work from home products from Clickbank. So I just want to show you that you can do this. You can do this if you follow steps, if you're consistent and you're persistent at it. So let's go ahead and log in. And just remember, Clickbank is free to log in. So the first thing you would do, you will start an account. You need an account, and you need to plug that account to your bank account and also your W-2s, like anything else, because you're an affiliate, so you're going to be a W-9 form. So you need to go ahead and get signed up legally, and that will be right here, Clickbank client contract. So you'll go ahead and fill this information out. You'll go all the way down here. You read the information. That way you can get signed up and familiar in there, and you will go ahead and submit your request, and you will sign in right there. And then once you go ahead and get that, you'll get a username and password, just like anything else when you log into a system. This is an affiliate program that has helped so many people out, and I believe it can help you as well. So I already made an account specially for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and log into the account. Now there's not much in here. Hold on, okay, let me go ahead and go ahead and do this real quick, and that should do it. So let's go ahead and log in, and this is what happens. This is kind of like your dashboard when you first log in. Like I said before, this is a new account, so there won't be any sales or activities in this account. So this is your dashboard when you first get into Clickbank, and one of the first things you want to do, you want to go ahead and go to the marketplace, because you want to go ahead and start looking at products right away. So the next thing you do is go to marketplace right there. Yes, marketplace right here. Now as you see here, all the products you're going to see is going to be in red. Also, if you really need to know specifically how to promote a product, let me go back for a minute. It's right here though. They do have information in terms of how to find products to promote. And if you're new to affiliate, they do have information right here. So go ahead and look at that as well. If you get a little lost during this video, or if you just need a refresher, they do have tutorials right in Clickbank that can really help you even more. So the products is right here onto your left, your categories, and those are niches. Those are different niches that you can get into in terms of how you want to promote. The promoting I normally go stick with is usually employment and jobs, because I'm in the make money from home niche. Work at home, side hustle jobs, those type of positions. That's what I specifically look for. So like writing jobs 2019, photographer jobs online, those are the type of positions that I promoted because that's in my niche. So you can go ahead and find a product. So let's go ahead and look at photography jobs online 2019. Get paid to take photos. Won't that sound good? That sounds pretty sweet, to get paid to take photos. So one thing you want to go ahead and do is top here, you want to go ahead and sort by gravity. That way gravity dictates how popular the offer really is. So the higher the gravity, the better. So you want to stick with something a little bit over 30. So all these are pretty good, like writing jobs 2019, 36, photography, so it's 18. So let's look at something. So like writing jobs is good here. If it's 18, it's not too bad really. If it's go below 30, it's not bad. But you want to stick around above 30, and because you want to make sure that people are wanting this actually product. So you want to be promoting something that people want. So that's very, very important. So let's just look at this anyway. Let's look at photography jobs online 2019 anyway. So the first thing you would want to do is actually look at the actually product. You want to look at the product, and this is the website it has, and you want to be able to watch the video of it and understanding what you're getting. Now, what you really could do, and what you should do, is purchase this product, learn about it, and then you can promote it, because then now you know exactly, okay, I use this product, I can really communicate with my customers that way. So that's what you can do. Another thing you can do is go ahead and literally just read everything here to make sure it's all legit. Read the testimonials, understand what these offers is. This is basically a sales letter, a VSL, etc. This is what this is, and so this is what customer will see. They will go ahead and see this. They will see this information. They will see the fact that, okay, high-paying photography jobs, I can take any shot to these, any photos of these, and go ahead and submit them in, get them downloaded, and get paid. So it's a very straight, narrow process. On this offer it is, mainly because they want photos. That's what they want. This company wants photos, clean, good photos, so they can go ahead and utilize them for their business. So let me go at the top here, 7-day free trial. I love 7-day free trials because it gives the customer, you know, time to really understand what's going on, so they can stay in the product or they can get out of the product. So I really like this, and this is kind of the video that just kind of talks about it. So this is about basically them utilizing the system as well. So like a minute, I think it's like a minute in terms of information. So that's what that is. So you want to look at the product. The next thing you want to do after you get familiar with the product, you want to go ahead and click on promote. Now promote is going to go ahead and give you a link. It's going to give you a link where you can go ahead and promote that to the customers or your email list, subscriber list. So what you want to do, you can do a tracking ID. You don't have to, but you could do, you can just say photo, 2019. That's basically like a tracking link, pretty much knowing exactly where the link from. So if you want to track everything, you know this is what this is. So you would take this link literally right here. Let me see if I can copy that. And you want to paste this, and check this out. Before I go there, look at that, 75% commission. That's pretty good. That is really good. 75%. You want to be over 50%, but 75% is really awesome. And you want to go ahead and test it, and then voila, that is your link. And you see my username Shelton on here. That'll I get credit for the commission. So it's very important. You want to get credit for the commission. So that's one product that you can do. There's many products. There's many products. You just go along the line here. Let me go back from other ones. You can go to travel, the same type thing. You can promote any of these things. Remember, you want to sort by gravity. The higher the gravity, the better. And so the gravity here is not as high, so I will keep looking. Or you can try it out. You never know, but I'll look at something like over 25 to 30. Stick with that as well. So promoting Clickbank products can really be good. It's kind of one of those testing things. You want to test products to see if it works to your customer list, but you want to have a specific niche that you're interested in. And that way you'll have a capture page, which a capture page is, it'll collect their information, and that capture page will go right to a sales page, which are these all down here. So just like that, let's say if you want games, the same thing. The game, let's go right here to gravity, and this will be really good. Let gravity score 68. So this would be a really good product to go ahead and promote. Video game tester jobs. So the same process that I went through earlier, you follow the same steps. And if you want to promote these type products, the best way, there's several ways you can do it. You can do a blog post about it. You can do a video about it. You can go to YouTube and actually do a video about the product with the certain keywords about it, and then have the link right underneath the subscription. You can do it that way. You can do like a job. You can do a solo ad vendor. You actually get a solo ad vendor that has a list already, and you can give them your offer to your solo ad vendor, and they can go ahead and promote it for you. So there's many ways you can do it. There's emailing, there's listing, there's several ways you can do it. So find a 1 or 2 ways of how you can promote these products, and you'll go ahead and get started right away. Well, that's all I got right now. promoting Clickbank products for affiliates could be a great way of making money from home. They have so many different products here, and looking at the gravity, that determines how popular that product is, and you can go ahead and start promoting it and go ahead and start earning commission as soon as possible. So that's all I got. I want to do a video special for you about promoting affiliate products. I think it can really help you. And I do have a special offer for you right below this video. I do have my #1 recommendation of making money online. It's right below this video. During that process, you'll click on that link and you'll be directed to a video that will basically start teaching you and get you inside the system. This digital marketing educational system is one of the best systems out there, and you'll be part of my team, and we can go ahead and start your own online business right away. So go ahead and click on the link below so you can get started. I can't wait to see you because this product is fantastic, and I'll hold you accountable. How about that? I'll hold you accountable. So click on the link below. I can't wait to see you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I can't wait to do another video. I think the next video we're going to do is going to be more about making money from home and how you can educate yourself to start your own online business. I'll see you in the next video.